Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the cook's prologue and tale. This is the character of Geoffrey Chaucer into the contemporary tale. When we talk about the cook's full name of the cook's full name is Roger, and when we talk about the Roger, he enjoys the Reeves tale and offers tell another funny tale. The tale is about an apprentice name is Parkney who drinks and dance so much that he is called the Parkneys and reveler. Finally, Parkney's master decided to leave the apprentice as he was corrupting other servants too. Parkneys decided to stay with a friend who loves the drinking and grumbling, and he had a wife who was a prostitute. The tale breaks off after 58 lines. This story is unfinished. So thank you.